keep running on me, that bitch sing. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I keep it loaded. Yeah, just ride the way. If you ride the way, try to ride the way. If you ride the way, I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, try to just ride the way. Yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah, I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, I'ma just ride the way. Yeah, try to just ride the way. Try to just ride the way. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch vibe, yeah. I got a lie, homie, it's about 5 on me. I'ma survive, homie, flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I can need a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling what can you decide though? I can keep on from the ops though, I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby, rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. Hey, I keep the real shit, I'm in the real shit. Yeah, just ride the way. If you ride the way, try to ride the way. Yeah, if you ride the way, I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, try to just ride the way. Yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah, I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah, try to just ride the way. Try to just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride, I got the drop top. Shorty just feeling the wave, I'm in a hot spot. FBO diamonds, juices, dancing. I keep it floating, I got the whole beam. Something about it just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shorty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. Shorty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shorty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up. Yeah, yeah, just ride the way. If you ride the way, shorty ride the way. If you ride the way, I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, shorty just ride the way. Yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and just ride the way. Yeah, I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you want ride today, come and just ride the way. Yeah, shorty just ride the way. Shorty just ride the way.
What is going on, everybody? How we feeling? How we feeling today? How we feeling today, this morning? Good evening and good afternoon to everybody that is tuning in. Yes, sir.
Turn off that safe switch.
All right, so okay, guys. So yesterday we ended up catching a trade, a NASDAQ trade. I don't know if any of you guys were in the VIP last night or yesterday, but we ended up catching a NASDAQ trade. Let me see. All right, so so right here, I called out a NASDAQ trade. It was kind of something that I posted yesterday before we left. I was talking about how NASDAQ could shoot down. We seen it. We took TP1, and then we took TP2. So that was dope. Another thing I want to talk about in the VIP is that we have our bot that is exclusively out. Still in beta test, but it is out. And with this bot, it caught out a NASDAQ sale and a US 30 sale, and they all went in our favor this morning. If anybody took that, also we were able to get a US 30 buy, and I'm actually looking on NASDAQ as well. US 30 NASDAQ correlates very well, so I'm looking on NASDAQ too as well. That's kind of where we at right now. So yeah, guys, we got a lot going on. If y'all not a part of the community, this is why I advise you guys to make sure you join. That is all up in the top if you guys ever interested in that. So let's go ahead and get into some trades, y'all. Here's my tea. All right. Hold on, y'all. All right, cool. So if we pay attention to dollar, let me go ahead and just play some smooth music for now. If we go ahead and pay attention to dollar real fast, you guys see that dollar is dropping. There's nothing about it. It's dropping, just like what we was kind of talking about yesterday about dollar. How we were expecting it to continue to head down, and that is exactly what we got going on right now with dollar. Exactly what we got going on right now with dollar. What's going on? So if we zoom out, I'm still looking on dollar to drop. Honestly, guys, I'm looking on dollar to come all the way to these lows. I didn't know dollar would be this dramatic this early on a Tuesday, but it is what it is. And then if I'm expecting dollar to drop, you guys know we talked about gold yesterday. I was expecting gold to go up, and it is. So all we looking for right now is buys for everything. Gold, NASDAQ, and GU. Speaking of GU, we might have some with this one soon. Yeah, dollar is full of hella drama. It's definitely full of drama. So I think with GU, for me, I want to see another move going down. Maybe create like a double bottom, something just like right here. What it did right here. And then I want to actually buy this one. Here's my problem though. Seeing how aggressive dollar was and GU didn't really do much. Going down kind of tells me when dollar wants to actually pull back up, I'm expecting GU to pull down further, and this will make sense anyway because this is my midpoint. To be honest with y'all, I wanted to come into my extreme, which would be here, and then my other extreme will be down here. So I'm not interested in this one if it does that. I'm actually interested more in it coming down here. So I'm gonna keep my eye on GU. I got my alert set just in case. I know somebody's about to ask me if I'm in GU when I post this, and y'all know right now I'm literally saying that I'm not in GU. I'm waiting for it to come back here. But I know somebody here is going to say, E, you in GU. I'm not in GU. So going to NASDAQ. What's up, Sway? Going into NASDAQ. Like I said, I'm looking at for everything to go up. My bot printed it saying that, hey, US 30 is going up, so I know that NASDAQ is going up. I use that as my confirmation now. Why not? Neil, you funny. So I'm using my bot as my confirmation now. Anyway, I'm looking on NASDAQ to actually create its range. I see that we do have down here to up here. I'm waiting on this low to break first for me to confirm it. So this is going to be quite interesting to see. So let me put an alert here because I want it to break out my low first. I feel like once it breaks out my low, I will know my range. And then tapping into a 1 hour, maybe I can find something. I see we are now getting exhaustion for buyers down here. So that's another hint. Look at this 1 hour high right here. We break through that. That's another hint. What market might do though is create equal lows and then kind of just shoot down from there and then come up. Because if we think about NASDAQ dropping, that must mean that dollar's going to go up to do its range and then drop. Because from dollar, we have these highs and the lows to focus on. So if I kind of if I narrow down a smaller scale like a 5-minute, this is kind of where we're at with dollar. It to pull back to some of these levels to get mitigated and then shoot down. What's going on, agent? Hey, I'm a new subscriber. Love your content. Your videos motivated me to. Nice, man. I appreciate it. How many signals / days? It's all depend on the market. Sometimes it can be 1 or 2, but the bot prints out way more than I do. That's why I created the bot, man. For everybody that is in the VIP, I created the bot for this specific reason because I'm not always on the chart. I don't spend as much time as I do on the charts anymore. So when I'm away from my computer, my bot that I got is like my third eye. Because I'm still in beta test trying to get it to really trade how I trade. It's close, but it's not there yet. So NASDAQ, I'm waiting on a buy for it to come down to these lows. GU, we waiting on that buy either here or here. Let's see. GU's been choppy though, but I still see something happening. Man, y'all, yens dropped. We talked about this on yesterday. And we talked about this in our Sunday classes that we do. And I was saying that, you know, it makes sense for Euro to either come to this point, come to this point and drop. I didn't expect it to be this aggressive at all. You said, why you changed trading stats live, trades to 54? When you not traded yesterday? No, there was a trade we did take yesterday. There was not physically on YouTube. It was on VIP. It was VIP. That's why the stats went up. One winner. It was at 53. Now it's at 54 because of that. Yeah, it was that NASDAQ trade. It was this NASDAQ trade right here. That one right there. Yeah, that definitely was a beautiful trade. I made 500 off. I was supposed to make more, but it is what it is. I'm happy for my wins. All right, so yeah, I'm waiting on this. Let me put my notes in here so I know what I'm trying to wait for. I don't think we gonna get anything with yen pairs right now because that drop was crazy. Want to see if NASDAQ is gonna make equal highs, which is even better for us. and then pull back down. $1.21404 or 1.21288. Keep eyes open. All right, cool. Yeah, so this GU trade, I definitely want to tap into this one. Definitely want to tap into this GU trade. NASDAQ, we got to see what we want to do right now. Gotta wait to see. Not interested in anything until I see more action. Gold has been spiking up. Don't see anything yet. I need to see a pullback. I would trade a pullback. Actually, I could trade a pull. Excuse me. I could trade a pullback. I know a lot of y'all like to know how I trade pullbacks. All right, if we start to spam one more time, I'm definitely deleting you. All right, dude, I'm about to block you. I'm already talking about gold. So man, what is that sound? Oh, so yeah, with gold, I want to see what we got going on. But I don't know. We'll see. Very thirsty, man. Chill out. It's not going nowhere. Right now, it's all about patience. Let's see who has patience. I got about 500 y'all watching. Let's see if 500 y'all has patience. Key to trading is patience. All right, so GU just tapped into my areas. I'm gonna see what we got going on. I think I want to enter off the 1 minute off this one though, but I gotta see way more momentum. So let's see, 2 minute time frame. Whoa, wait. What is dollar trying to do though? Dollar still got more up move to go. We could still even come here. GU is so choppy right now. I know we got to get this drop with NASDAQ. And right as of this moment, we got two ranges I see. One up here, one down there, one right there, and one right there. So this will be pretty interesting to see. Let's see what NASDAQ got for us too. What's going on? I appreciate y'all for saying that. Call me doctor to graduate from school. Let's see. Where is? All right, so for me, I want to see NASDAQ now pull around here before I do anything. Do I trade crypto? No, I do not. Gold short, possibly. Yep, GU definitely did tap my price. But we gotta see though. I feel like GU's about to be so choppy still, man. Yeah, GU's about to be choppy. You will lose for Juju if you wait. All right, guys. So yeah, we gonna have to wait on that. Ain't nothing going on anyway. Gold ain't nothing going on. I'm just waiting on dollar to move, but I'm waiting on dollar to pull back to some of these levels. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe and like the video as well, so you don't miss out on anything that we do drop from live streams. We go live pretty much every day. Just don't do Fridays. So definitely want to make sure you tuned in on our live streams. This month is an actual chill month, just because, you know, a lot does happen, but a lot it's just all over the place. So, you know, it's kind of one of those months where I'm just chilling, not doing too much crazy stuff. You still on funded account? I do funded and personal account. So like right here. This is my personal account, and I'm working on growing it more. Right now we got 11K out. And since we got 11K out, you know, this is a risk-free account, absolutely risk-free account. And like I was telling everybody yesterday and every other day, is that this is definitely my main account now, where I'm looking on to just grow this account. Not grow it, but just make this my main account, you know. It's already where I like it to be at, which is really dope, really good. But yeah. Do I know what happened? We had news yesterday. That's why. If y'all trade yen pairs, it was yen news yesterday, or British. I think it was yen and British. My funded account only risks 2%, 1 or 2%. My personal, anywhere between 10 to 15%. Would I buy EJ? Nah, there's no reason for me to buy it. Right now, all we doing is just waiting. Waiting on everything. All USD's been consolidating too. Like, dang. Finally getting that drop again. Do I trade during news? Depends on the person. I mean, depends on the person. Depends on the situation. Depends on the situation. That's really what it is. Man, GU is so choppy. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Just waiting on gold to drop down more. Waiting on NASDAQ to drop down more. We did take these lows out. I see dollar going up for a pullback. Does my trading stats included the EJ trades from yesterday? What trade that we took yesterday was a loss. Whatever trade was a loss, it's in there. I think it was, yeah, it was the EJ trade. Yeah, that was on there. That was a loss. All right, let's see. Oh, guys, I see a range with NASDAQ. Hold up. Let me see if I was to short this. Damn, this will be a nice trade. So I'm gonna take NASDAQ for a sell. Because I see on my 30 seconds it's doing a range. This is about to be a risky trade though, but I'm gonna get in 2 positions. I'm gonna show you guys what I see. Here we go. Yeah, I just got in a 30-second entry. I haven't did this one since last week. You said screw December? I feel it. I feel it. Let me change my notes here. Let's see how my scalping, my true scalping census is during this month. Let's see. Just turn me up, man. Just turn me up. I already did all my vocal. So, all right, guys. So, let's see. GU drop down again, and it's just doing this. It's just going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. Yeah, so I'm gonna let. I want to. I know I'm gonna stay in. Yeah, I gotta stay in 2 trades because I only got 2 TPs for this. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in 2 trades because I only got 2 TPs for this. Did I expect GJ to tank that much? Nah, I really did not. To be honest with you, I swear I did not for sure. You said what? Fiber, you said what? Hey, Solo, what do you think someone that is intermediate trader should learn after mastering all of the terms of Forex, especially? I would say, dude, the best thing is the psychology, which is 99%, not 99, but it is, honestly, in my opinion, 80 to 90% of trading. It's your psychology. It's your mental. Are you disciplined? Are you handling these trades very well? Such and such. It's all of that, you know? And, I just feel like that's the key. That's the key to trading. Yo, this GU trade is like going up, going down. It's like no time for me to catch anything, honestly. It's really crazy right now. It goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down. But I do see that nice buy setup for this one. This NASDAQ trade I took is extremely risky. I know it's gonna go up long term, but I still want to take that sell. So check out GU analysis in the VIP. What did you post? Are you looking for it to come down? Yeah, it could. It's consolidating so much. It can go down and up. It can go down and up, literally. It's pretty crazy. You said, why do I use small time frames? It didn't give you clear information. I always use small time frames. What is this calling me? I like using small time frames because I can get in really good entries. I don't pull my information off a smaller time frame. I use a higher analysis to find all my information. You said, Solo, you said you're going to tell us why you take 2 trades at the same time, but you didn't tell us why. I do all the time. I take 2 trades because if I got multiple TPs, I'll take one TP out, and then move my stop loss to break even so I can minimize my risk, and then take a TP2. If I got 3 TPs, I usually get in 3 trades. I say that all the time in my in my streams. Literally. It's crazy. My majority of my losses came from December. Strong resistance on NAS. I don't even look at it like that. But yeah. What is this software? This is TradingView. One of my personal favorites when it comes to marking up the charts. TradingView. What is the weather out here? It's crazy. When I heard we about to have a nice little 12 inches of snow in Chicago coming this weekend. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Still ain't never seen. Ryan, where you stay at? I need to go over there. For real. Wherever you at, that's where I need to be. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Florida don't get no snow. Y'all get everything else though. Oh yeah, y'all in Florida. Yeah. Y'all get everything else though. No, Midwest weather sucks. South Africa sunny all year round. I need to go out there too. Ooh, look at this GJ. Rest in peace if y'all was buying because y'all just thought that it was exhausted. Or y'all might have seen the RSI said it was oversold. One thing that I talk about a lot is that how I look at market, I don't look at market as like a lot of people say, oh, supply, demand, support, resistance, all of this, all of that. In my opinion, I look at every high and every low as liquidity, right? I feel like every time market creates liquidity, everybody would say either that's resistance or support or this and that. But I specifically just say that at the end of the day, it's all build up liquidity that banks are going to come to eventually. So, you know, I know a lot of y'all trade like that and look at it differently than I do, but I don't trade support, resistance, supply, demand, or anything like that, how y'all think that was taught to everybody. I don't trade it like that. I don't really look at it like that. Wes, you say you left in Midwest. I feel you, man. I feel you. I see we got a range with gold right now. Yeah, this is my main job. One of my main. I got a lot of streams of income. A lot. Gold need to do something for sure, but I'm waiting on gold to drop more though. Like for real, for real. Guys, I was sick, and I feel like I'm getting sick again because my son was sick. I feel like I'm getting like, oh my gosh. So this one I'm trying to for real fight off. It's just December is just not the month. Christmas is coming, man. Do any of you guys have any plans for Christmas? What y'all got going on for the holidays? Anybody has anything going for Christmas? Anybody was buying gifts? All of that fun stuff? I already took that. I took all that. I took the vitamin C, vitamin D. I got all of that. My tea. Believe me, I'm not playing this time around. Got my orange juice. So families down in Canada. Y'all not really doing much, I see. Yeah, this holiday is chill for me. I'm not really doing much either. I'm not really doing too much either. NASDAQ still doing this thing. Dollar is still doing this thing. Look at GU. Don't know what it's trying to do, but it's trying to do something. So I don't know if any of you guys do this when you guys trade. So here's the problem with when it comes to trading, guys. A lot of people don't know and do know what to do when it comes to trading. So like what I mean by that is you will get in a trade not knowing how much you're risking, but sometimes you might have an idea, but you really need to know exactly how much you risk before you even get into trading live. I just got a question. I'm gonna go ahead and put a poll up because I'm curious to know who here actually follows rules. All right, so I'm about to pull a poll up because I really want to know if anybody here knows this. So I put a poll up. I want to know who here, do you know how much you risk per trade or overall? Do any of you guys know how much you risk per trade or overall? I know majority of y'all gonna say yes, but I know like for a fact y'all capping. I know majority of y'all capping. Y'all really need to be real with yourselves. I need to see more condas than yeses because I'm like very sure a lot of people. All right, we tap TP1, getting out. Oh, I'm already out. All right, guys, TP1 tap. TP2. If it goes in my favor, I'm up $500 on that. Moving my stop loss to break even. Damn, where did I enter at? Okay, hold on. If this trade goes against me, I made $24. TP1 smash. Let's go. If anybody made anything off this because you see me trade it too, I need everybody to drop a fire emoji. I know a lot of y'all like to watch how I trade, which is perfect. I know a lot of y'all don't always agree with what I do, which is cool. But if y'all are seeing anything, I need everybody to go ahead and like the video, guys. Made 90 bucks. I need everybody to go ahead and like the video. This is the time where we need to start liking the video because, you know, just helps me know that you guys really truly care for the videos. I take crazy scalping moves, and a lot of people go against me all the time. I swear. Every stream I do, everybody goes against me. No matter what I do. But it's cool because, like I said, it's always going to be 50-50 in the market. If you're selling, I'm going to take your money because I believe the market's going up. If you buying, I'm going to take your money because I believe the market's going down. There's always got to be a balance. But we got to get these likes up, guys. I need everybody in here to tap the like button. I also posted in the VIP because I know there's people in a VIP that can't come in the live streams. My little scalp moves can make me so much money that y'all don't even realize. Like, it does not matter how many fucking pips you make a day. It matters all about how much you risk. And a lot of y'all still don't understand that. Because I get so many people that tells me that, hey, how many pips do you make a day? Or, hey, you only, or, hey, your stop losses, your pips is too big of a stop loss. Like, no. It's all about what you are risking. Uh-oh, my bot printed something. It did. My bot did printed a sell on NASDAQ, guys. But before I need all y'all to like the video. We got to get this to 400 likes. Everybody that is tapped in on my live streams, let's go ahead and get this to 400 likes. Also, the bot did my solo bot did print it out a possible sell on NASDAQ. And I know, I created the bot, so I know why I printed it. I can actually see exactly where it printed it at and why I did printed it. So I kind of walk you guys through. Like, what it does is it finds the range. Like, it will find the range on a bigger scale, but then it'll be a smaller time frame. It's kind of like I'm using a higher time frame to look for smaller time entries. It's really dope how I got it set up. I need everybody on here to help get the video likes up. Somebody's got to tell me when we hit 400 likes. And I'm gonna look to see what y'all did on the poll. By the way, I see that a lot of you guys say that you know exactly what you're risking. All right, I hope that's accurate. I hope that's accurate. So I see majority of you guys say yes, that you know what you are risking. And I was hoping to get more kind ofs, but I feel like 20% of y'all are capping on the yeses. I feel like y'all think y'all know, but y'all really don't. Because y'all get in the trade and be like, oh, yeah, I'm risking 20%, but in reality, you're risking like 50%. So this will be quite interesting to see. So I want to show you guys what I mean by the bot right here. So right here, this is our solo bot. Right here, it said that there's a possible sell on NASDAQ, but we need to wait on 3 confirmation play. That 3 confirmation play is pretty much happening soon. US 30 also said the same. NASDAQ printed the same thing earlier this morning, and that ended up going in our favor. We actually have one of our members here that actually took a sell on the bot right here, made $18. I don't know if you're on here, but he's seen this and he just took it. That's pretty dope though to see that people, and I like to see this because this is telling me that the bot is working, guys. By the way, it's in beta, so if you are using it, please use it because I would love to see results and understand what's going on. All right, so I'm gonna end the poll because I see a lot of y'all said 60% yes. All right, that's quite interesting. That's quite interesting. I don't know if that's all accurate, but I hope it be accurate. I hope it'll be accurate. So with my one trader end up taking me out, I think. Yeah, end up taking me out because of the entry I got in, so I end up getting out. But I don't know if anybody did take this. It's still floating for some other people. But I end up getting out of it at break even. Really $19, so I'm still up. This is the beauty of handling risk compounding. This is like how my account is growing so rapidly. Literally. This is how my account is growing so rapidly. He said, is there a risk calculator for NASDAQ US 30? Yes, I have the calculator actually. If you guys have not seen a calculator that we have out right now, it is a free calculator. It is this calculator right here. You guys are able to come into, I'm gonna post it in the chat room right now. You guys can come in here and kind of know what you want to risk. So if your leverage is 500, your account balance right now, my account balance on my account is sitting at, not 24, what is it, sitting at 17. So I'm gonna do round it off to 17,400. And then I know I like to risk 10%, so I'm gonna go into index, go into NAS, and then I'm gonna do that trade that we talked about. Entry point, my entry point is here. My TP1, let's do TP2. TP2 would be take profit here. We're shorting it. And then my stop loss is going to be here. So it says that getting this trade, I need to do about 48. So apparently I risked it a little bit more, which is really 15% for me is what I risked for this trade. But like I said, for me it's 10 to 15%. But if I want to do just 10%, I need to do about 48. So we need to round it off to the lowest. So I'll do 40. But since the spreads with Hanko trade is a little bit lower, because this gives you the average spread, like whatever the average is, it kind of gives you the spread average on that. But since the spreads are a lot lower with Hanko trade, I can actually double that, and that's what I do. If I'm trading like iSpring FX, I will actually do 40. But I know iSpring FX also in KLT Forex, now there's other brokers that have mini lots. So whatever the mini lots are, because that's what Hanko trade is. It's a mini lot, but it doesn't say mini lot or doesn't have many. It would just be double. So you guys would just double that. So if you do 40, you do 80 instead. If you're using Hanko trade or if you're trading anything that says mini lots. That's all you're doing. There's magic keys out there. I know a lot of people know about. There's other calculators out there that exist. You know, whatever you guys want. The name of the website is, if you just go to joinsolonetwork.com, actually. If you just type in joinsolonetwork.com, you come over here to risk calculator. It will bring you over here. We also have a compounding calculator that tells you, like, let's say if you guys, I got a $17,000 account. Let's say that I always want to look for a 10% gain, maybe per trading day. It would tell me that if you stay consistent, which I talk about a lot, if you guys stay fucking consistent and don't go against your rules, which sometimes it happens. Obviously, it happened to me yesterday and the other day, last week. But if you stay consistent, you can see the growth that you can make. Obviously, this is the perfect fucking world. We know, guys. But I'm just showing you guys, this is really true facts. If you can stay consistent and stay growing about 10%, I know that's a lot on an account. But to be honest with you guys, I always look for a one-on-one. And if I always look for a one-on-one for TP1, that means I'm risking 10%. So that must mean I'm gaining 10%. So that's why I got 10% here. And then boom, 10%. Literally. I could be at 100K. Oop, guys, we just TP too. Nice. Fucking nice. If you guys are seeing any growth or anything, definitely go ahead and drop the fire emoji. Yeah, Crypto, I see you just posted in the VIP talking about, can I elaborate a little bit more on the mini lots? So what mini lots basically means is typically it is like a how can I put it? The spreads are a lot lower. The spreads would be a lot lower with a mini lot. So when you are doing a mini lot, you can almost double it because your margins, you're not going to have so much margin. You're not going to take so much margin, right? But what is really going to happen is you're minimizing a lot more, or you're risking a little, or you're not risking as much when you're doing mini lots. So it's just almost just like if you were to do a standard lot of something, it would be literally a minimal of like 50% less than that. So it's pretty dope. Mini lots are really dope. I like mini lots a lot. But yeah, it's really dope. It's really dope. It says they don't just have the bot, they also call them out manually. What are y'all talking about? Yeah, contracts are a lot smaller with mini lots. That's what damn King, appreciate it. I don't know why I could have just said that. Contracts are a lot smaller with mini lots. Yes, the units are way smaller with mini lots. I could have just said that. I don't even know why I was doing all the extra stuff. I don't know, man. I was just trying to make it simple for everybody, I guess. But that's pretty much very simple right there. Yeah, unfortunately, I got stopped out, but I would have been up that $500, obviously. But it is what it is. But yeah, guys, this is how I grow my accounts. A lot of these trades would be $1,000 trades that I take off of 30-second entries. While everybody else say, "Hey, why are you doing this?" It's because I like to really get into the details of something. And even though this was a super risky trade, because at the end of the day, I was looking on market to come into this range and then shoot up. But that's what I'm looking on now, still. You said, what you say? Do you mind explaining a bit why you made that trade there? I took it because of risky, but I took it because I knew that on a higher scale, it created equal highs. I don't trade off support and resistance, guys. What banks like to do is one or two things. Banks like to either create more money, which is known as create a pool, which is known as create liquidity, which is in a lot of you trader eyes is known as support resistance, supply demand, order blocks, key levels, institutional levels, pivot points, Fibonacci points, all of that shit. They like to either create the pool, which is basically create a double top, triple top, another example. And then if they don't do that, they will either take the money out, which a lot of you guys will see it as a stop hunt. You see it as, oh, a fake out. You'll see it as, oh, it created a new high. Let me buy it. I promise you guys, the way that y'all see it, I don't fucking see it like that. I don't. Because I know how banks seeing it. They don't see it as, oh, it's support. Let's sell it. They either see it as they're going to create another pool, get you guys in a trade. Right now, a lot of people will, like for me, I sold it. Yes, I know I sold it. I get it though, but I didn't sell it because of support or double top. I knew because they were creating more liquidity. They were creating more money to trap more sellers. So when the time comes for them to come back here, everybody's like, oh, order block, let's sell it again. Okay, and you might be right again. That's what they want you to think. That's how they want you to react. Obviously, that's how they take money. It's like taking candy from a child. You know, as easy as possible. It's like, hey, here's a candy, let me give it to you, and then you just snatch it back. That's exactly what market's doing. So I know that. So when y'all talk about, oh, you trade order blocks, oh, you trade supply demand, yeah, you can say that, because I know a lot of y'all are used to seeing a lot of YouTubers, a lot of videos and stuff like that. But I promise you, that's not how I look at it. And I don't teach my students that. I say it because I know it's super simple for them to adapt and understand where I'm coming from. But that's not how I trade. I see equal highs. I know they're forming that pool. So when times come, if they create an equal low, I know there's about to be a liquidity phase known as whack off coming. Either reaccumulation or redistribution. And then market comes up, is going to take that while everybody else think the market is going up. While everybody think market is going up, I'm like, nah, it ain't going to go up yet because they just created a balance down here of equal lows. They got to take that because they want that. That's money to them. So they're going to now take that. And then once they take that, it's going to go up. That's what we call a spring right there and whack off. Literally. I know a lot of y'all, when I talk and I preach, a lot of y'all keep telling me to check something. I just tell like a lot of y'all don't care about knowledge and y'all just really care about signals, which really kind of sucks because y'all can't be babysit every day, you know? I know a lot of y'all do care about the knowledge, which I like giving more knowledge than me telling me getting the trade. But I know a lot of traders don't care for knowledge because they want to see quick money, and this is why those type of traders ain't gonna succeed. Bro, I learned whack off all on Google. Google, free 99. Free 99. I learned all whack off on Google. I learned all whack off on Google. Literally. By the way, guys, all this knowledge that I'm dropping, man, I'm gonna need these likes. We gotta get the likes up. So if you are new to my channel and you just tapped into these streams, make sure you like the video. Go ahead, show some support. And whatnot. Yes, I do mentorships. Wes is going to be our soon to be Wes, man. I promise you, bro, I'm not dodging you, bro. Matter of fact, bro, I'm gonna do this, bro. Let's do this, bro. I'm gonna message you right now. Wes, I gave you my number, bro. Text me. Text me. Just text me, bro. I promise you I'll respond quicker. But anyway, guys, yeah, go ahead and like the video, guys, because like I said, I like just sharing so much knowledge, man. And I don't care whether if it's, you know, if it's something that you will see paid from somebody else or whatnot. I just like sharing knowledge because I just get hyped sometimes. But I only get hyped when I know the likes are up, and that's just real facts. Because I just feel like it makes sense for me to really go crazy, you know? But that's how I look at the market, y'all. I don't look at it as support resistance. I don't really look at it as supply demand. I call every time I draw this box, I just call it a POI level, point of interest. All right, Wes, I got you. Appreciate you. All right, so anyway, our TP's hit. That's cool. Let's see. So this must mean dollar's finally doing this pullback. Yep, dollar's finally doing the pullback that I want, which means GU dropping. I ain't even doing nothing still. Gold's dropping. That's what we want. This is perfect. Somebody said TP3 here. I didn't even have a TP3, but I guess I can see that. Bot went crazy on NAS. Did the bot print out again? Did the bot print out again? Or it printed out that NASDAQ trade? Oh, it printed out the sell for NASDAQ. Yeah, print out the sell for NASDAQ. So you don't use any indicators, I'm assuming. I don't, but I do. I use the chart prime indicator, the isolator, and the RSI. But I only use it mainly on my phone though. Like mainly on my phone. Guys, y'all, I swear, guys, no matter what you do, there's always going to be somebody that's going to complain about something. I remember I made like a couple videos on how to trade with no indicators, and I swear I had like a couple people message me and comment on, and even some people in here, they'd be like, how you going to trade with no indicators? Who doesn't use indicators? Like, and then I had another trader come at me and said, you using indicators. If you're a real trader, you don't use indicators. I swear, guys, when I started YouTubing, I came to the conclusion and realized you cannot please everybody. I already knew this from sales, because I sell a lot of shit. I used to sell a lot of shit back in the day, but you can't please everybody, guys. It's so funny. I actually like commenting back because I like laughing and shit. Right. I look at it like it doesn't matter what the fuck you use as long as you are profitable. You can use 20 indicators. I would never come at you. You can use no indicators. I would never come at you. But people nowadays, they just be like, you use indicators. You're not a trader. And then people be like, you don't use indicator. You're not a trader. I'm just like, bro, does it even matter? Are you making money? Yes or no? That's all that matters. I don't use indicators. I found indicators sometimes to push me away from understanding the market. But I know a hell of people that's really good traders that use indicators and they make success. Like, whatever works for y'all, works for y'all. Consistency determines a trader, actually. As long as y'all consistent with y'all strategy, cool. Fuck, if y'all had brought my course, I got all types of indicators in the course. You know, that's why it is getting updated now. I started trading with indicators. All right, guys, I'm looking for buys with gold, but I don't know where we could come to first. I gotta see, because it's really steady. It's really not steady, but it's really slow. But here's some levels that I want to see it tap into. Workout can be pretty difficult to learn if you're new to trading. Yeah, I used to trade MT4. I like MT5 better. It's just way more. I don't know. I can adapt with it way more because I like how I can easily add TPs and stop losses on MT5. I don't have to manually go back. It's like with MT4, you gotta do a lot more work. But with MT5, all you do is click your trade and drag the TP and drag the stop loss. You can't do that with MT4. You gotta type it in. And I heard MT5 has more indicators too. Yeah, you can drag your stop loss TP with a mouse. Absolutely. Do I place trades? I place trades on my phone. I look on my computer, but I do it on my phone because it's quicker. So, I mean, sometimes I do it on my computer. Well, right now, I do it on my computer because it's just way quicker. Yeah, guys, we could have almost took this NASDAQ trade even to the moon if I would have got another trade. I don't know why because everybody's used to something. When somebody's used to something, they don't want to get unused to it and go to something else. What do you think about simple algo trader indicator? Like I said, I use chart prime. I like chart prime. When somebody's used to something, they don't want to go to something else, so they're going to say, oh, it sucks. What's my strategy called? I never gave it an actual name. I should, though. I use Henko Trade and Offspring FX. If you guys are new, by the way, guys, I highly suggest if you are looking for a funded account, definitely make sure you tune in with Offspring FX. You guys see the banner up there, solo holiday special. You want to make sure you use that code to get 30% off to get your funded account. I don't know if any of you guys trade funded accounts, but I suggest if you guys want to tap in, definitely go ahead and get that 30% off with Offspring FX. All of that is down below. How many trades per day do y'all usually take? 2 to 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. Depends on what market tells me. I don't really try to look at it like that. I just want to make sure if I get it set up, cool. Because some days we might not get a trade. It's crazy, guys. I swear, man. Like, I be like, this new year coming, what I'm really trying to set for myself, like manifest for myself, is that I don't want to tell myself that, oh, I want to trade 2 times a day. I want to get in 2 trades per day. I don't. I don't want to tell myself that, because I feel like if I do tell myself that, I'm forcing myself in trades that don't exist. What I want to tell myself is this. I want to tell myself, hey, E, hey, Solo, I want to remain consistent and I want to remain profitable by the end of every month. I want to at least have overall 10% on my account. I want to at least gain 10% on my account within a month. That's what I'm about to be telling myself. And I highly recommend everybody here to tell themselves that. Please do not say that I want to make this a day or I want to take these many trades a day. Because I feel like if we do that, when we do that in our subconscious minds, we're actually setting ourselves up for failure. If we really think about it, because we're like saying, hey, I want to make $1,000 a day. But let's just say the market doesn't give you $1,000 play. It gives you $500. Now you're forcing yourself for the extra $500. Like, I feel like we got to stop doing that, because I do feel like we really fuck ourselves up when we do that. So if you guys are really fucking with what I'm saying, man, let's all try that collectively, where we be like, I just want to gradually grow my account consistently. If we just say that, we're now putting this program in our mind that, all right, cool, we just got to be consistent. We're not looking for any growth. We're not looking for any this. We're not looking for any that. Because the moment, I feel like even when I say 10% per month, I'm still putting myself in a situation where I got to see 10% per month. You know? Yeah, man, that's how I always ended up losing my profits, pushing for the dollar amount of the day instead of just accepting I was already up 10%. Exactly. So I think we should do this, guys. Let's just say this. Everybody needs to say this out loud. I just want to be a consistent, profitable trader. How can I be a consistent, profitable trader? I must follow my trading plan rules. I need all y'all to say those 3 things. I want to be a consistent, profitable trader. How can I be a consistent, profitable trader? I must follow my trading plan. Say that out loud 3 times, guys, every day. Just say that out loud 3 times every day. I promise you're going to see a change, because you're literally programming yourself to stay consistent, stay profitable. How do you need to stay consistent by staying profitable? By listening and following your trading plan. Or not listening, but following your trading plan. Amen, preacher, preach. It's funny, my mom said one day you're going to become a preacher. I was like, yeah, I see that. I see myself being a motivational speaker. So don't be surprised 10 years from now y'all see Solo as a motivational speaker, because I swear I love speaking. That's one thing about me, man. I love speaking. Motivation, inspiring people. I speak into existence all the time. I always say I'm my job, I want to inspire. What I do, I want to inspire. So yeah, that's what we got going on, guys. So now, since we all know that we want to be consistent and profitable, and now we all know in order for us to be consistent and profitable, we must have a trading plan and follow those rules. Let's see what my rules are in my trading plan. I know a lot of y'all don't even know what my rules are. Hold on. So, my rules is this. If I take 2 losing trades, I stop trading for the day. I don't even look at the market. I don't even care to look at the market because I feel like right when I look at the market, I'm going to try to set myself up for failure because I'm going to say, what did I do wrong? And right when I thought I found my mistake of what I did wrong, I'm going to get another trade. Don't do that. Another rule that I have is if I'm counter trend trading like NASDAQ, I have to wait for a break of structure. And I have to wait for, you guys know ICT. He talks about this very well. I think if y'all don't know who ICT is, definitely tap into him. I don't even like talking about shit that's for free, 99. Like ICT is probably one of the traders that you can learn a lot from without you even knowing that he's talking about it. Or without you even knowing what he's saying. And I feel like he talks about liquidity very well, and he talks about premium and discount very well. So what I'm about to get into is premium discount. I talk about this so much. A lot of people don't even know the true value of supply demand. Supply demand is not no fucking box that you see up top or down below. That's not fucking true value of supply demand, guys. I promise you that's not. What it really is if you look at a range, if you say that from this high to this low is my range, there's supply and demand inside that range. You got to first figure out the balance in that range, which is what we call equilibrium. Premium and discount. This is what ICT talks about very well. Premium and discount. In my rule, I say this all the time. I say that in order for me to sell the market, I'm not going to sell it when it's already at a discounted rate. You guys know this. When we talk about, let's talk about Balenciaga shoes. We know Balenciaga shoes can cost anywhere from $1,000 and up, right? Now, let's say that they got a lot of inventory. They got a lot of supply. With a lot of supply, they want to sell it off to create demand. What do? They mark down the fucking price. They drop the price down. Now it becomes $100. Now that it became $100, the reason why they dropped it is because they got too much inventory. Once again, that's known as too much supply. So they drop down the price, which creates a demand. Now everybody wants it. Now that everybody wants it, what they're really doing is getting more inventory in. They're getting more inventory in because they want to get rid of their inventory and get more inventory in. So now that they did that, market is going to come up, and then it's going to now stop at a discount to come back at a equilibrium known as a premium. So that being said, that's where shit drops. So for me, I know that when people like to say, oh, like right now, prime example, they're going to be like this. Oh, gold is going up. I'm about to buy it, guys, and you buying it right here. Why the fuck we buying it? We know that it's got to come at a discount. It's too high. It's too expensive. It's too expensive. I'm not talking about imbalance. We're not talking about imbalance. I'm talking about premium discount. He talks about that very well. A lot of people talk about that, but I like how he talk about it. So that being said, price comes down. That's when you should be fucking looking for a buy. So that's one of my rules. I don't never buy price when it's already down, already up. I don't. But I know a lot of y'all do, because y'all don't know when to buy or when to sell, because y'all might get in too late or too early, and I get it. That's fine. But what I'm telling you guys is that you got to understand that market is going to come down. So a lot of y'all got to understand that. But that being said, guys, that's kind of my rules right there. And along with that, there's so much to it, guys. Y'all getting a little bundle of what I talk about, so it might sound confusing to 90% of y'all. And I see a lot of y'all commenting, talking about, oh, you talking about imbalance? Oh, you talking about this and that? No, I promise you guys. What I'm saying is very accurate. But a lot of y'all see it as something else. A lot of y'all don't even know what a correction is. Y'all just say, oh, I see a correction. Y'all don't know what true correction means in the minds of a banker. If I was to ask anybody, y'all probably wouldn't even tell me. Y'all might say something like, oh, just because it's exhaustion. Well, why is it exhausted? So there's a lot to it, man, that y'all got to understand. I'm trying to tell you, there's a lot to it that y'all got to understand. It's quality balancing. Right. Market is all about finding its balance within itself. That is exactly what I mean. Thank you, Antonio, for explaining that. But it's all about balance, y'all. It's all about balance. Life is about balance. Market is about balance. If market is too much expensive, it's going to go and find its balance. It's going to correct itself, find a balance. Once it does, it's in. It's done. There's nothing going on with GU because dollar is still going up. GU is still dropping. I know this right now. There's nothing going on with GU. I'm waiting on dollar to show me something. Speaking of that, I'm going to wait on it to break out of this low and then look for a trade. I appreciate that. He is dropping gems now. I appreciate that. I don't know why I got this email. Solo, do you have any ideas why yen pairs? Yeah, there was yen. There was hella news yesterday. There was hella news yesterday. What the heck? How do you join a VIP group? Everything is in the link. Everything is in the link. Gold right now is consolidating. It's pulling back. It's pulling back. Y'all selling gold. Yeah, if we can get this drop with dollar now, we're gonna start going back up with gold. Gold is just too, I don't know, man. We did come into a midpoint, or actually we came into my extreme. Dollar finally broke through. Yeah, this is interesting. It's so choppy though. This is kind of hard for me to read. Let me see. What's NASDAQ doing? GU. I'm going to try to keep my eyes on GU and gold right now. They're the only two that's got my interest. Yeah, I want to see what's going on with gold, honestly. I think that buy definitely is gonna come. Let me see, guys. Man, I don't like this position. I don't like this position. So, the reason why I don't like this position is because I like to take my one-on-ones to the next high that never been tapped yet. Because, like I said, banks do one or two things. They will either create a pool, which create known as an equal, or they'll take it out. We will never know until it happens. So, Honestly, guys, I'm gonna wait on gold to come back down more if it does, but I feel like it's not. I feel like it's game over with gold. It's gonna start going up now. I missed out on it, but there was nothing for me to hit. I didn't see anything except for right here. Because my next high that hasn't been tapped yet is here. Draw my Fibonacci play. We got two ranges. This is one range from here to here. TP1 is a 101. I could take it all the way up here. TP2 and then TP3. You know what I would love to see now, since I missed out on this one? I would actually love to see the banks create an equal here, drop down, give me a better entry so I can have a better stop loss or you know, less to risk, and then go up. Let's see though. Cause I'm looking at, I would want it to come back around here. So let me add an alert and see if we can get that. Because I know dollar has to pull back up. So hopefully we can get, and you know what would be nice though? If dollar actually decides not to react off this and react off that. Oh, look right there. There we go. There goes that spike. Yup. There goes that spike. Perfect. I knew it. I knew it. I knew that was a setup. All right. Makes sense now. Yeah, it looks like dollar wants to start hitting this level now. Shit good, man. Getting ready for X. Oh, y'all talking? How could you tell that? How could you tell it was going to go up? I'm never 100% accurate. I wish I was though. We all would be living dream lives. But honestly, man, no, I just seen that the spike right here. No. I didn't think this was going to go up. I just seen a spike. So right when I seen the spike, it kind of told me that, oh, we might react off of this range because this is aggressive right now. When we focus in a moment, I'm not focusing on this right here. If I wanted to focus on all of this selling power, I would go on a different scale. On a 1 minute, I'm focusing on this right now, and this it's a strong buying market. But like I said, I do see it coming up there now. That must mean dollar still wants to either consolidate or drop. Do I use indicators? The only indicator I do use is the RSI and the chart prime isolator, and the candlestick print from chart prime. But no, I didn't use any indicators on any trades. Honestly, when we live trade, when you guys see me live trades, I really don't even be using indicators, honestly. Sometimes I'll pop up. Oh, shoot. I'll pop up my RSI, but, oh, wait. We got news with gold. The headlines for gold. Oh, that already happened 18 minutes ago. Okay, never mind. Most important thing about trading is this: your mental discipline. This is such an ugly stop loss or ugly risk. Like my 1-on-1, I can't even get this to be my 1-on-1 anymore. Market needs to come back down here in order for me. Yeah, market needs to come back down here in order for me to trade dollar. By the way, guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure you are subscribed, because on my channel I motivate. I'm like a motivation speaker, man. Sometimes I'll go on a ramp about this and that, but you know, I just want to make sure you guys know that it's important to understand that trading is not skills. It's really mental. And just to prove why it's mental and not skills, because there's over thousands of strategy on YouTube, and I know a lot of you guys YouTube different strategies, and you try one strategy and you realize it worked or it doesn't work. You try another strategy, realize it works, but now it doesn't. And you try another one, you realize it does, but then it doesn't. That's because it's not the strategy, man. It's your mental. Like, you're, for one, hopping in different strategies, trying to figure out which one works for everything, probably, or you're trying to figure out which one works for this particular moment. In reality, it's all about discipline. And a lot of traders do. I see a lot of YouTubers now talking about discipline, talking about trading plan, but I see that those videos doesn't get as much recognition as it should. I know a lot of people like to see the fucking videos of how I flipped $1 million into $5 million, or how to grow a $100 account to 10 million. I know a lot of y'all like to see those videos, but in reality, those are not the videos that's gonna make you successful. If it is, then why the fuck you still watching 500 other videos of how to fucking trade it and find a strategy? Because it's not the strategy, it's the mental. I've only been trading for 5 years, and I figured this out my 4th year of trading. That is my mental. I never had nobody told me it was mental. So I'm trying to tell you guys, it's really mental. Like, and you know what? And in real facts, I do be dropping like clickbait videos where I be like, how to turn $100 into $1 million. I would definitely do that because I know that's what y'all like to see. Maybe you might not think it, but that's what y'all want to click because y'all are interested. And when I get to talking about, oh, so this is how you do $100 to 1 million, you're mental. Y'all click out of it right away. Y'all would click out that video right away. And that right there tells me why 99 to 90% of traders fail. Because they want to know what the strategy is. And it's not the fucking strategy. It is the mental. Now, excuse my French, but that is real facts. That is how I found this channel. I bet it is, Kevin, because I do a lot of those clickbait videos. But the moment that I'll be like, guys, it's not the strategy, it's the mental. Everybody clicks out of it. Everybody clicks out of it. And those 90% of people just missed out on all those fire gems. Now they watching 20 other videos of how to trade because they don't know what to do. Haha, got caught. But for those that's here that want to actually learn, I condone y'all because I'm trying to tell everybody else that's watching this. A lot of people just want to see the strategy, and I get it. I 100% agree with you. But I'm trying to tell you guys, it's not a strategy that's going to make you the money. I show my strategy all the time on here. If you are new to my channel, guys, make sure you subscribe because I have people coming here all the time that's new, that comes here for a second and then leaves and say, hey, what's your strategy? And the moment I don't tell them my strategy, they leave. That's my point. My point. I didn't grow this account because of my strategy. I did not fucking grow this account because of strategy. And the real proof is all in my fucking live streams and in my VIP. You guys see it. My strategy's been the exact same. I wait on a break of technically my strategy is a breakout retest strategy, to be honest with you. That's really what it is. I wait on the range to form, wait on it to break out the range, pull back into a POI level, mid or extreme, and then I look for momentum to tell me to buy or sell it. And that's it. And this, because I'm telling you guys, it's not the strategy. That's it. That's my strategy. Dead ass. If anybody asks me that, that is literally my strategy if I want to simplify it. So it's the fact that now y'all know my strategy. Y'all try it. Y'all still don't see profit. Why is that? Because y'all don't have a trading plan behind your strategy. Meaning that if you lose out on so many trades, what do? Do you still trade? I don't. I stop at 2 trades. Okay. What is your risk? A lot of y'all don't even know what y'all want to risk. I risk 10 to 15% on this account. That's another reason on how it got up to where it got to so rapidly. On my funded account, it's only at 2%. I know what I'm risking. Okay, another thing is, a lot of you guys will say that, well, you know, I don't know what pairs to trade. You're focusing on too many pairs. I focus on 3 pairs. Yeah, I got a lot more pairs here, but mine is NASDAQ, GJ, and gold. I look at other things too. But y'all focus on too many pairs because y'all not analyzing the pair correctly. So y'all will analyze one for 5 minutes and then go to another one for a minute and then go to another one to 10 minutes and go another. So y'all hopping too much. Y'all not focused. So what I'm saying is at the end of the day, it's all about having your plan. And I swear to gosh, I mean it so many ways that y'all need to write that shit down. I don't care if y'all got a really good memory of everything, but write that shit down. FTMO is what taught me how to really write shit down. I failed that shit 3 times. And then I had an account and I lost it. So I'm telling you guys, man, it's not the strategy. It's not the strategy. We got a lot of people tapped in here, and I see a lot of y'all are new, and I just want y'all to know it's not the strategy. Just found your channel. I started buying swing trading, but about a week ago and had my first $200 a day. No stats because I don't know anything. Man, that's what's up, man. Right sessions. Also, I understand you, but I what? I'm not sure what you're trying to say. I've been doing this a lot lately, jumping from pair to pairs. Thanks for saying that. Needed to hear that. Yeah. Well, yeah, no problem. Do you use anything, books, mentors? Yeah, I have mentors, but I did a lot of self-taught. A lot of experience though. I spent over 100 G's since 2018. That's what my cash app says. I spent over 100 G's in crypto. I don't even know where I got the money from. Let's just say I blew over 100 accounts if I was to put $100 in those accounts. You only trade silver. There you go. You're 100% right. I had 300K funded account and lost it because of my mental. Yep. Trying to tell y'all it's mental. And you know what's crazy, guys? Last week, I'm going to give you another example. Last week, we took a NASDAQ trade, right? By the way, guys, we waiting on a go trade. Let me show you guys for those that's finna bug me what I'm waiting on. Hold on. I'm waiting on this right here to happen. I'm waiting on gold to drop back down if it could. But what I was about to say is that what was I about to say? What I was about to say is NASDAQ. For instance, we took a NASDAQ trade last Friday, I think. And I said, guys, I'm gonna get out this trade because it's coming close to my stop loss. And what happened is it never actually stopped me out. It ended up actually hitting all our TPs. I had 2 students that actually held the trade out. And they did it because I told them previously, and I tell everybody previously, let the trade ride all the way to your stop loss or let it ride close to your TP. I know with the brokers is different if you're looking at TradingView, but at least your stop loss. Let it ride all the way to your stop loss. Because the majority of the time, it's going to come super close to your stop loss and never stop you out, but then go in your favor. And that happened to me twice. Live. You guys can watch the Friday session if you haven't watched it. I literally said, guys, I'm getting out of NASDAQ. And if I would have stayed in that trade, I would have made about $3,000. Prime example of discipline. If you get in a trade, fucking stay in the trade. But here's the problem. A lot of you guys don't know. A lot of you guys are unsure about the trade you get into. Why is that? Because you don't have your trading plan. Y'all just take trades to take trades. And then y'all get scared when it goes against you. That's because y'all don't have a trading plan. Y'all don't have it right in your face where you have rules. Now, that's why I'm trying to tell you guys. It is your mental. It is your problem. That's your problem. It's not the skills. It's not the strategy. It's your mental. So stop doing that, because when you are doing that, you're literally saying that, damn, you don't know. But that's because you didn't trade. You didn't have a trading plan. You can sit here and analyze it. Like, creating a trading plan is the best thing to do. Y'all hear every trader talk about this now, but y'all don't follow it because y'all skip through those videos. Because y'all just want to see flashy shit. Y'all just want to see what's the strategy of making $1 million in a day. Y'all want to see all that. So I'm just telling you guys, man. So enough of that. Let's get back to the charts. Now y'all know why and how I'm growing accounts. This is how I do it. My mental. Me discipline. By the way, if y'all are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe too. I told you they like them fantasy videos. Yeah, they do, man. I get it though, man. It's really motivational sometimes, but it's just like like the videos of like living lifestyles that y'all want to live, but it's just like, if y'all want to get that, listen to what the hell we talk about. Listen to what the traders talk about. Like, there's a lot of great traders that talk about mental that y'all don't care for. I see it. A lot of great traders talk about mental all the time, but them videos get no love. I'm just like, damn, these videos. This is why 10% of people, or 1% of people are succeeding in life and not. It's your mental. Everybody want to know it's the skill. The skill is your mental. It's mainly your mental. We all humans. If one human can do it, so can you. The only thing that's holding you back is your mental, because you think that you can't do it. It's just like playing basketball, playing football. Let's just say like this, playing basketball, right? I'm short, but I'm going to just say anybody that's like 6'5" and up, and y'all like looking at LeBron, y'all looking at Kyrie, y'all looking at all these people like, damn, they cold, they dope. Y'all looking at Steph Curry shooting all these threes, they're like, damn. You know, and then y'all think that, oh, I need the skills. Yeah, you do need the little skills, but he's a human. Whatever he could do, you could do. It's your mental. And how you got to get there is practice, 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 practice. How do you practice? By knowing your strategic moves. How do you find that out? By creating your fucking plan. That's exactly what trading is. You sit down, you write down what you do, how to do it, and you go from there. That's literally the same thing, guys. Life is 20% skill, 80% mental. Not in trading, guys. I'm saying life. Life is 80% mental. If y'all can understand that, y'all be a god at everything. We are our own god, so y'all can be anything and everything y'all want to be. Literally, that's just real facts. Y'all can be whatever y'all want to be if y'all understand this here. I promise you. So I'm looking at a dollar right now. And dollar is pulling down from this midpoint. Someone help shut Solo up. Nah, shit, Jojo, you got some shit you talking about? Prime example. While I'm over here talking, and I'm gonna keep talking now because you just told me to shut up. That right there tells me that you don't want to care for learning mental. You rather just want to see the strategy and me trade something so you can make money. That's the stuff that I talk about why people is not going to succeed. Prime example. So thank you for saying that. Yeah, I'll be going crazy. Y'all know me. I don't care. You said, let's get them. Yeah. Can you please take a look at, it's not going on with any, it's not going on with any of these pairs. It's not going on with any of these pairs. I'm not interested in none of that. Appreciate that, Ryan. I really needed it. Oh my gosh, I love my live streams. I love everybody that comments, regardless if it's positive or negative. We all know that we all like drama, regardless. People love watching drama, so keep it coming, please, because I will retaliate. I swear to gosh, I will. Solo, bro, I try to improve my psychology on a daily. Man, that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah, guys. GU is consolidating. I don't know. I don't really see anything with GU. Nah, Jojo, I feel you, bro. It's all good. I'm just glad you said that, though, because I know somebody else was thinking that, even if you was playing or not. I just know somebody was thinking that, just didn't want to say anything. But anyway, guys, with NASDAQ, what do we got on a higher scale? Because I kind of lost train of thought where we at on a higher scale. Oh, yeah, we consolidating for sure. But I do see that we have... Yeah, dollar's still going to drop. So I think NASDAQ is going to start heading up now. But here's my problem with NASDAQ right now, guys. What I said earlier is that we got the equal highs that it just formed. You guys see right here, this is all equal highs that it just formed. Liquidity phase. Not necessarily liquidity phase, but liquidity is being built up. So This one's gonna be a little interesting because with dollar, like I said, long term wise is dropping. So I know with NASDAQ, long term wise, we got to be going up. So if we really look at this, if we actually look at this on a smaller scale, no, we didn't do a liquidity phase. All right. I kind of need to see what NASDAQ want to do, because I could almost see it drop a little bit and then go back up. You said I need to be here more. You're truly the truth. I appreciate that. Thank you. Make sure if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and like the video. Let's get the likes up. All right, guys. So I'm kind of a little confused on NASDAQ right now, because I see a buy and I see a sell. So let me go back on dollar, and let me just really focus on what I need to focus on. So we are dropping on dollar. We're going down. I do see dollar can drop here, but I don't like to trade off what I think. I like to trade off what I see. So honestly, what I see right now is dollar's dropping. Dollar is dropping. If anything, we will get minor pullbacks to finish the drop. So that kind of tells me, all right, then, with gold, we still ain't dropped yet. I don't know if any of y'all took that gold, but I didn't see an opportunity, because yeah, my 1-on-1 would have been right here first, but it is what it is. But with NASDAQ, if dollar is going to give me that little pullback to continue to drop, that must means that NASDAQ will react off of one of these POI levels, drop, and then maybe react off of one of these levels and then head up. See, here's the tricky part about NASDAQ. All of this build up right here is all POI levels of points of interest for me. Like I can see NASDAQ coming here and then doing something for sure. So this is gonna be interesting. When I see stuff like this, I don't even want to trade it, because I'm like biased for both directions, and I don't want to force it. So right now, I don't have a clear answer of what NASDAQ wants to do, besides, yes, we are dropping. I do see that, and I will sell it, honestly, because that's really what's going on in the moment, honestly, guys. That's literally what's going on in the moment. But I don't know if it's gonna pull all the way down though. That's my only concern. Let me see what my 1-on-1 would be if I do take this. Stop loss got to be above this POI. 1-on-1, we got a lot of liquidity all in here. Yeah, this is gonna be very interesting. Very interesting. Let me see what my broker's showing. GU is still consolidating. Looking at NASDAQ, I don't know what we got going on with this one. Yeah, this gonna be interesting. Like I said, NASDAQ's gonna be interesting. That's what I'm saying. Like I can see NASDAQ moving up. Like right now, here's this problem. I see gold. Dollar's definitely gonna drop. I just see that all day, every day. But what I was saying is, in a moment, because I'm scalping right now. You know, guys, as a scalper, you're nitpicking the market. As an intraday trade, I definitely see NASDAQ going up all the way. Like that's exactly what we got going on right now. You know, and this is kind of like why I was like iffy about NASDAQ to begin with. But NASDAQ long term wise, I see up. But what I was trying to say is that I want to catch a nice, almost a nice entry, sniper entry, I guess you guys could say, with NASDAQ for when it is a buying setup. I'm just waiting to see how far dollar wants to pull. Because we do got this range here, and then we got another range as well. Is that a mitigation zone? Or dollar right here? Yeah, I already got mitigated though. Hey, Solo, that trading bot you made, is that in an elite scalping? Is that an elite scalping course? I don't know what you mean. Like it's on a Discord. You want to get a counter trend trade? Maybe. I'm trying to look for the counter trend trade, but I don't really see it right now in NASDAQ. So yeah, I'm not. Somebody said I'm going to watch. Okay. Anyway, oh word. Okay. Yeah. What is the difference in the two courses you offer? One is more like going to Elliott wave, more broken down in that concept, and more intraday, holding trades longer. The other one is just more scalping. Love your positive attitude. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, we're gonna get this pullback. Just don't know where though. With dollar. Look at that. TP1 was smashed with gold. Man. This is why I like gold. This is why I like gold. I like it because it does this. It's like a reflection of NASDAQ. It rallies very well. You know, if I was in this trade, I wouldn't have to worry about any pullback. But right now, I do need a pullback because I want to get into it. Did anybody get into that gold trade? I'm not sure. I was waiting though. I know a lot of y'all got other entries on why or strategies on why y'all getting something. Got in at 1816, so you got in like right here. Dope. Yeah, just seeing how aggressive gold is compared to dollar. Oh, there we go. That's why. Now we getting a drop. So NASDAQ is going up, y'all. I now want to see a drop with NASDAQ to some of these levels. At this point, guys, I can just draw a big box here and just say, hey, just wait on price to come here and then wait for a buy. Because we do have two ranges we got this range from down here to up here. We do got another range from here to here, but this is the range that I'm actually more interested in. Yeah, so that's what we got going on. Level up, fly to let's see. But it's about that time where stuff is about to start just consolidating. Look at all this liquidity that's being built up. At this point, it's just like ready to take it. But I feel like we also got liquidity built up here. Like I said, guys, for this week and next week, I'm anticipating dollar to drop. So I would love to see gold GU come back up to some of these levels and then take out all this liquidity next. That's where I'm at with this right now. So I'm looking on GU to go up, EU is gonna go up. I'm looking on NASDAQ to go up, gold to go up, ART to go up. Right now, I'm just waiting on pullbacks right now. So that's pretty much what we got going on right now, guys. Everything is all about a pullback with market. So guys, I'm gonna end this one early today because we don't really have much going on besides that. So by the way, if you guys are not tapped into my VIP section, go ahead and join that if you want to. Otherwise, I do have the free section. It's pinned right over there. You guys want to check that out. Also, if you want to get an account with iSpring FX, you definitely can. I gotta head out. I gotta end this one short. I got actually something I gotta go to. But other than that, guys, we back live tomorrow. So make sure you tap in tomorrow if y'all not tapped in. And I'm gonna keep everybody posted as far as what we got going on for the VIP as well and everything like that with these trades. So other than that, everybody, peace. Take care. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Shawty got me feeling no cloud. I don't know how to be regular, so I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular. She ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit up on my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up on my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. With you, cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke. Then I know I got issues. Then I know I had to get it pippin' too. But they say I moved though. Usually I'm cool though. Then I know I had to get you. Yeah, I know I had too many damn issues. So confused, I don't know how to cool. I don't really wanna let this go. I don't really wanna let you go. This ain't how I play, but I had to lay up. Had to say so, had to play safe. This on my head, I can't seem to get this shit out. But damn, I feel jaded. Shawty got me feeling no cloud. I don't know how to be regular, so I can be basic. She don't know how to be regular. She ain't no basic. I've been out here thinking shit up on my head. Damn it, I don't know if I control it. Baby got me thinking shit up on my bed. I can't really take you as an opponent. With you, cause I don't want no smoke with you. I don't want no smoke.